look at a daily track of deals, there's still that. And what that implies is that people with money, which is a lot, there are a lot of people, view innovation and entrepreneurship as an asset class which can scale. And it's not separated, it's part of the broader public-private asset class merger that's going on. The techniques that people use for corporate venture capital in private markets, public companies are using to take stakes in other public companies and say, we can help you. They are applying that same strategy. Sovereign wealth funds like Temasek aren't going away. Family offices are saying, if we're going to do this, we have to understand it and do it properly. So you're spot on. But most of those family offices get their money because partly they've been entrepreneurial in the past and they've raised a company, which is done well. Think like the Bertelsmann, with the Mohn family. Think around the Walton family for Walmart. These are big potential pots of money they can invest. If you take the top list of the most profitable companies, the highest market cap companies, say in the US, think about Apple, think about Alphabet, think about Facebook. And then you look at who owns a large chunk of those shares and what do they do with their private family office money. You see there's an overlap. They're active corporate venture capitalists and they're active family office investing in venture. So I think the question is do you take an old paradigm, which is VC is a niche, lifestyle business, cottage industry, which can't scale globally and can't really support the entrepreneurs beyond a little bit of capital and advice? Or do you say it can actually professionalize, globalize, and become an asset class, which is part of the broader $30 trillion, asset management capital markets world? And if you take the latter view, we're only at the foothills. Sure, it might go down a little bit, 10% down this year, maybe 5% up next year, who knows? But ultimately, that's stuff at the margins. The big picture is that innovation and disruption and technology